Hello friends, hope all are you doing good in this COVID-19. Myself Rahul, and today I bought one of the investment and insurance plan which is guaranteed by HDFC Life, uh, and HDFC Life's tagline is "Sir Utha ke Jio," which means that the plan which you are going to buy is a guaranteed plan, and all the details will be explicitly mentioned in the policy bond with the terms and conditions, so that there is no failure in the commitments and delivered by the HDFC Life. So this is the plan which has set the industry standards at a very high level, where the returns are guaranteed from the day one, and HDFC Life mentioned on the policy bond that this product is the right product, and if you buy it you are going to have a very good time with this product, and once you complete the tenure you will get the longest maturity whatever is your age is. So before we start this video, I would request all my subscribers to please subscribe to my channel, or new subscribers to please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share your feedback, which is very valuable for our development of the channel. And please share exclusive feedback for the products as well. This will be a great discussion forum which will help us to showcase more HDFC Life products to you. So, why we are opening a website of HDFC Life? Because I don't want to pull any wrong information or any misleading information. So that's why I am pulling all the information from HDFC Life website, so that you can understand the product in detail in the right manner and buy a right product for your right fit. So today we live in a very fast paced life, and we are looking for some guaranteed returns, and HDFC Life has one of the plans which is a surprising plan, where they offer four options, and under the four options you can get the benefit for a longer time. So before moving ahead, I would request again to all my viewers to please subscribe to my channel, please comment and feedback to make this channel grow and reach this video to the concerned right person who wants to buy it. So let's move ahead with our today's topic, which is very special, called a savings plan. This is a savings plan with guarantee. So in savings plans we can see the second tab, which is named as HDFC Life Sanchay Plus. So we will click here HDFC Life Sanchay Plus. You can see they have mentioned very clearly that it's a non-participating, non-linked savings plan that offer guaranteed returns for you and your family. Right, you have heard rightly that company is committing you a guaranteed return for you and for your family for the lifetime. Now what are the features? If you want to understand what is the feature has been exclusively been told in the objective of the product, that it offers you guaranteed returns. Guaranteed returns means today if HDFC Life will commit you a number, that will be delivered for the tenure for which HDFC Life is committing to you, and it also covers the insurance. Okay, so here the features we come. This is a guaranteed benefit, rest assured of the returns. So you don't have to be worrying that you may be getting less or less or less, you or more or more or more. You will be getting an exact number which is committed by HDFC Life to you, and same will be mentioned on the bond. Now the second point comes the flexibility, guaranteed benefit as a lump sum or a regular income. So what do you mean by lump sum or a regular income? Lump sum means you can take it as a lump sum benefit, means at one shot also you can take, and secondly you can take as a regular income. So there are two ways you can deal with it. So HDFC Sanchay Life Sanchay Plus offers you both types of options. So the third one, which comes with a lifelong option. Lifelong option itself explains lifelong means you should be getting the guaranteed income till the age of 99. It means HDFC Life will guarantee you that this much amount you will get till the age of 99. Tax benefit, yes, this plan offers you both the tax benefits 80C to claim the rebate, and section 1010D for claiming the tax free maturity, and it will be as per the laws of the government. So you can also claim the tax benefits, and you will all get all the maturity tax free. Okay, so this is the objective of the plan. Now we will go to download the brochure, and we will understand the product in detail, what this product offers. Yes, this is amazing product. You will see that a company like HDFC Life, whose assets under management is more than 37,000 crores, and they are delivering a commitment of more than 99% for the claim settlement ratio, is being offering a very great product for the today's need for the market. So HDFC Life products are really tested, and they have proved themselves in the market, in the industry from last 20 years. So let's understand the product brochure. This is a very important page one, where you have to understand what basically company is offering you, and you have to understand before moving ahead in detail what is the objective of the plan. So let's start with it. So in a life with no guarantees, get rest assured means, in life there with no guarantees, life does not come with any guarantees, and in a life with no guarantees, get rest assured benefit. So it means you are getting your benefits, assured benefits, whatever may be the situation. Now there are three options which company is providing you. Guaranteed benefit payouts means the benefits payouts is been guaranteed from day one. Second, life cover to protect your family future in case during the premium paying term something happens to you, your family will get the entire sum assured which has been guaranteed to you. Third is the tax benefit, like ATC. Under ATC you can claim the tax benefit of up to 1.5 lakhs, and then you can get the tax free maturity under section 1010D. Hope this is very clear by HDFC Life Saruta Ke Jio, that it's a guaranteed product and it offers a guaranteed payout, depend on the option you choose. Okay, so let's understand what is the objective, why this product has been designed. So this product has been designed very nicely, that life becomes more meaningful with the achievement of personal milestones which you have for means up whatever the milestones you have, like educations, child education, your marriage, your retirement planning, it comes easy with this, because you know what money you are going to get at what time, and it has been guaranteed and will be mentioned on the bond. But these milestones are often accompanied by the added responsibility, expenses, and burden of any uncertainty. Means life is very uncertain. If something happens tomorrow, you will not be able to meet the objectives what has been set today by your family. So this product will also going to help you there, and we do our best to ensure that financial security is achieved through the meticulous planning. So how do you achieve this financial security? You have to plan every time. You have to plan meticulously for key life stages such as marriage, parenthood, retirement, etc., which we told you earlier. This product will help you to decide your child education, your marriage of the child, and your retirement funds. So this product is one of the amazing products. You have to understand this product before you buy this, because if you understand the product, this product delivers a very great kind of an excellence, which is called guaranteed payout, which you will not get in market anywhere. Guaranteed payout means the day one guarantee is been given to the client for the delivery of services, or commitment will be made by company to deliver you that much money when you are needing it. Okay, so let's go ahead. Life insurance plans can help you to achieve such goals while safeguard your family future against unforeseen events. Unforeseen events means death or any other case which is not planned and happens, that will help your family. While there is many opportunities with respect with the respective benefits, the assured convenience that the insurance plan with guaranteed benefits offer is irreplaceable. While there are many opportunities, so the plan is with the respective benefits and the assured and the convenience that a life insurance plan with a guaranteed benefits offers is irreplaceable. So we at HDFC Life brings to you HDFC Life Sanchay Plus, a plan that offers you guaranteed returns for you and your family. So HDFC Life Sanchay Plus is a guaranteed plan which offers for the family. So the features, again the same features has been repeated. So you can see it provides the guaranteed benefits that you whatever committed on day one is been delivered to the client on the time, on the milestones what they have designed for themselves. They get the tax benefit, they get the flexibility to get the payment on lump sum or a regular income. They can get a lifelong income option, like till 99 you can get the lifelong income, and long term means like 25 years you can get, 25 to 30 years you can get the long term income option. There are optional riders you can take which you can choose to ensure that the milestones has been achieved, and these riders we will see below in our brochure. So let's understand what is the eligibility criteria, means how company is going to give you and what is the minimum age for your entry. So this plan offers first of all the four options to buy you. One is guaranteed income, guaranteed maturity, third is lifelong income, and fourth is long term income. Okay, so what is the entry age, that we have to understand first. So the guaranteed income option allows minimum entry of 5 years and maximum 60 years. Guaranteed maturity 5 years, maximum 60 years. Lifelong, your age should be 50 years. Yes, you have heard right. For the lifelong income option, where you want your return till 99, so there your entry age is 50 years only. So before 50 years you cannot buy this plan. Long term income is for 5 years. So if the child is of 5 years, then he can buy this plan. But for the lifelong option, for 50 years is the minimum entry age. So age at maturity. Now there are two things. One is the entry age when you are planning to buy for a kid. Now there is a maturity age when the maturity should be there so that you can enjoy the benefit. So the guaranteed income maturity and guaranteed maturity and long term income has 18 years of maturity age, whereas lifelong income has 56 years of maturity age. Okay, so it means the minimum age, for example, if a 5 years child has been taken a policy, so the guaranteed income option will be applicable at the age of maturity should be 18 years. So he should attain an age of 18 years. So you should plan your product accordingly so that you will get the proper income for the family. So now comes how much basic minimum investment I can do to start my plan. Age of entry we have understood, age of maturity we have understood. Now what is the minimum installment premium? What is the minimum installment premium? So monthly you can pay 2500 excluding taxes. Your taxes will be additional over it, which will be for first year 4.5%, and for second year onwards it will be 2.25%. So as low as 2500 rupees a month, which is very low if you see from the saving structure. So I will show you how less you can save so that you can achieve the milestone. So we will see here in the calculator, 2500 you have to save for 30 days. So 83 rupees a day you have to save so that you can slowly start meeting the objectives. Maximum installment limit, there is no limit has been set for the maximum. It is totally based on your ITRs and the underwriting principles of the company. Riders, there are four riders. There are riders available to the plan. HDFC life income on accidental disability benefit rider. This is one rider, means in case of any accidental disability is there is one rider, and second is HDFC life critical illness plus rider. In case of any critical illness you can get, but these two riders will be available on additional cost over the above of 2500 what you are going to pay. So please understand, the riders which you will take will add an additional cost to it. Okay. So eligibility criteria for POSP variant. POSP means point of sale. Point of sale. It is almost the same. Only the variance which is coming is the maximum age of maximum age. There is a difference. If you see above, I show you the difference. Here the maximum age is 60 years, whereas if you go to the POSP variant, it will be 54, 55, 59, 59. The only difference is that, and rest remaining will be mostly same, and the riders will not be available, the riders which are available to above option. So you don't have to worry more about the POSP variant. Whenever you are buying to some of the agents, you have to ask, are you giving me POSP variant, or you are giving me the first variant, this one. So if you buy from any of the agents, you can be able to buy this criteria easily. So there is no problem as such, and you have to understand the product before buying. Please understand the product before buying, because if you understand the product, you will be able to ensure your child future, your retirement future is in your hands. So take your own decisions so that it will be easy for you to get and ensuring the plans are available with you. So if you pay the premium is calculated with the conversion factor. There is a conversion factor is applicable. If you buy monthly, it's 0.0875. If you buy quarterly, it's 0.26, and if you buy half yearly, the conversion factor is 0.51. So this is the conversion factor which has been applied. So let's see quickly how this plan works. Yeah, this is a very interesting part of the entire product, that how this plan works. Okay, so HDFC Life Sanchay Plus allows you to choose from 4 benefit options depending upon the life stage, means which stage are you and your priorities in life, and the options once chosen cannot be altered. It means that once you choose the option, you cannot change it. Once you buy, post that you cannot change it. Okay, so let's see the guaranteed maturity. Now this is an option where you will get a lump sum benefit, where you will get the amount at one shot. Okay, so what happens is, you have to pay the premium for 5 years, you have to wait for 5 years, and then you will get the maturity, because your policy term is 10 years. So 5 years you will pay, 5 years you have to wait, and after completion of this 10th year, you will get the maturity. The maturity benefit will be paid as a lump sum at the end of 10th year. Just see how like the 10th year is completed, the maturity benefit will be paid to the client. The second option is, you have to pay for 6 years, and again you have to wait for 6 years. It means the policy total term is 12 years, and the maturity benefit as a lump sum will be paid to the 12th year. So on the 12th year, at the end of the 12th year, the maturity benefit will be paid to the client. Now here comes that you have to pay for 10 years. For example, today your son is 5 years, okay, and you have to plan a fund for his 25th year. Okay, so let's see that like that. So for 10 years you have paid 10 lakh rupees, okay, for 10 years, and then you don't have to pay for another 10 years. So 20 years is the entire policy term. At the end of 20th year, you will get the maturity benefit. Okay, and with the amount we will see the example below. Okay, so first understand how it works, and then we will see how the plan works, how with an example how much amount you will get under the options. Okay, now second option is guaranteed income. So I hope you are clear to the guaranteed maturity. In guaranteed maturity, it is basically you get a lump sum amount, means You have decided like 5 years you will pay. At the end of 10th year you will get a fixed amount. Okay, then the second option is there where you will pay for 6 years, and then at the end of 12th year you are going to get a fixed lump sum amount. And third option is you have to pay for 10 years, and then there is a fixed amount which you are going to get at 20th year, at the end of the 20th year. So here you will get the, in the first option, if you see this guarantee, here you have getting the long lump sum option, like one shot the payment will be made to the client. Okay, so now come to the next option. There is a word is been used, guaranteed income. Wherever income word is used, it means you are going to get in a regular income, like an yearly kind of a benefits to you after the period is completed. Okay, so guaranteed income states here, here we have two options. 10 years you have to pay, and 1 year you have to wait only. Please listen it again. 10 years you have to pay, client has to pay 10 years to HDFC Life, and 1 year client has to wait, and post 11th year is completed, from 12th year to 21st year the entire amount will be refunded with a guaranteed amount which will be committed to the client. Okay, we will see this below in an example. Okay, it's like for 12th year you will get 1 lakh, 13th year 1 lakh, till like that 1 lakh rupees, like till 21st year you will get it. So means next 10 years you will get 1 lakh rupees if you are investing 50,000 rupees. Okay, so but with an example, exact example we will see. Just to make you understand, I am giving in a rough number for your understanding purpose. Now again the guaranteed income option, there is an option where you have to pay only for 12 years and you have to wait a 1 year. It means the policy term will be 13 year, and next 12 years you will be getting a guaranteed regular income yearly basis to your account. Okay, so here you will pay 10 years, wait 1 year, and then next 10 years you will get the money. Here you will pay 12 years, again wait for 1 year, and then next 12 years you will get the money. Okay, this is a guaranteed income option. 10 years you will pay, 10 years you will get, 12 years you will pay, 12 years you will get, but there is a waiting time of 1 year is available here. Okay, which is added in your policy term, you can see there. Okay, so I hope this guaranteed income option is clear. Maturity you will get at one shot. Guaranteed income means that you are getting in 10 years, the amount in 10 years and amount in 12 years. Okay, now lifelong income option. So this lifelong income option has an eligibility criteria that your age should be 50 years. See here it is mentioned very clearly, age is 50 years. So to buy this you have to first check that the entry age of the customer is 50 years. Okay, if they have 50 years of age, then they have to pay only for 5 years. Okay, only for 5 years, and remaining and they have to wait 1 year. Post that they will get the lifetime income till 99 years of the age. Okay, this will be guaranteed on day 1. Again on the 6th year, you have to, for 6 years you have to pay here, and then again you have to wait 1 year. It means 7th year on you have to wait, and 8th year onwards till 99 you will get the maturity benefit. Okay, again here you have to 10 years you have to pay, 1 year you have to wait, and then again you will get 99 years of pension. 12 years you have to pay, 1 year you have to wait, and 13th year is your policy term, and rest the age of 99 you will get the income benefit. So here what will happen is, you are at 50, you have not planned any funds, so you can invest as per your cycle when you want income. 5 years, 6 years, 10 years or 12 years, you can select whichever is comfortable to you, and you have to wait 1 year. Post 1 year you will again get the maturity benefit, guaranteed income from till the age of 99. Till 99 you will get the maturity benefit paid also, okay, as in regular income. Okay, now again we come to long term income. Long term income means 25 years you are going to get the benefit. Okay, 25 years you are going to benefits, but you have an option that you can pay 5 years, wait 1 year, and again you will get 25 years you will get the benefit, and the entire ROP, your all the prepaid premiums will be back. And the 6th year you will get it, you have to pay, wait 1 year, and again 25 years you will get the guaranteed long term income, and you will get your all the paid premiums back. Then you have to pay 10 years, wait 1 year, and then again next 25 years you are getting a guaranteed income, and again and your premiums will be paid back. And the last option is 12 years you have to pay, 1 year you have to wait, and next 25 years you will get the guaranteed income, and your entire paid premiums will be back. Okay, so this is a long term income option. So let's see in detail. This is in a tabular form, so many of you may have some kind of a confusion left in the mind. So we will see in detail below with an example that how each option works out. So lifelong income option is basically for the age group of 50 and above, and remaining 3 we can give for the age group of 5 years. Okay, age started 5 years. The only difference is in guaranteed maturity you will get the lump sum amount when the policy term is completed. Okay, policy term is completed. Okay, and lifelong income you will be completing the policy term, but after the policy term you are getting a regular income for your till 99 years. Okay, and in guaranteed income you will be getting till the premium you have paid for 10 years, then you will get payment for 10 years. For 12 years you will get payment for 12 years. And for the long term income option you will be getting the benefits for 25 years, whatever the premium paying term you will choose, and then you have to wait a year. Okay, so I hope this option is pretty clear to you, and let's go in a example format so that you can understand this proposition. Okay, so this plan option, guaranteed maturity. Guaranteed maturity means today you will start investing 1 lakh rupees for 10 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 10 years you have invested. Now you have to wait for another 10 years, and here you will at the age of 20, when 20 years are completed, at the end of 20 years you will get the maturity benefit. Okay, so 10 years you will pay, and then 10 years you have to wait. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 years you have paid. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it means 10 years has been completed. Okay, so total 20 years has been completed, and as 20 years has been completed, at the end of 20th year you are getting the maturity benefit here. Okay, and the maturity benefit is equal to the guaranteed sum assured on maturity plus acquired guaranteed additions, where guaranteed sum assured on maturity is total of annualized premium payable under the policy during the premium paying term. So this has been guaranteed from the day one, and the factors they are considering for the age groups is been mentioned below. PPT for 5 years, PPT for 6 years, PPT for 10 years. So this is the factor they will consider when they will pay you the maturity for the premium paying term you will select. So if you see the premium paying term, if you are selecting for 10 years, the returns are much better than 5 and 6. It's totally depend on your need that you can design for. I'm just looking on numbers, I'm just giving a reflection here. Okay, so let's go to the guaranteed income option. Okay, in guaranteed income option what will happen is you have two options that either you will select 10 years or 12 years, okay, for the investment period, and then you will get the premium back. Okay, so here what they have selected is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 years you will be paying, then you have to wait 1 year, and then there is a guaranteed payout option will be available to you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so next 10 years you will be getting the guaranteed income. So if you pay for 12 years, then 12 years you have to pay and 1 year you have to wait, and next 12 years you will be getting the guaranteed income option. Okay, then let's come to the lifelong income. In the lifelong income, what will happen is there you will get the pension till 99 years. Okay, so here we have four options: 5 years, 6 years, 10 years and 12 years you can pay depending on the comfort zone what you can pay, and you can start getting your returns after wait a year, and then you will be getting till 99 years. So here you are getting 118% of annualized premium, 89% of annualized premium, 14% of annualized premium and 31% of annualized premium. So this has been set from the day one and it has been committed to you, and this will be delivered till 99 years of age, and return of total premium paid. So whatever you will pay in the first 5 years, 6 years and 10 years or 12 years, from the last return the amount will be returned to you. Okay. So here if you see on the death what will happen, because the first question will happen if the death happens, then what will happen on the death of the life assured during the payout period. If something happens to the payout period, the nominee will continue receiving the guaranteed income as per the payout frequency benefit option chosen till the end of the payout period. The nominee shall have an option to receive the future income as lump sum, which shall be present the value of future payout at the discounted at a rate which is computed using prevailing interest rate. So जो नॉमिनी होंगे उनको ये गारंटेड इनकम कंटिन्यू मिलेगा जो कमिट किया गया है कंपनी के द्वारा. So my apologies, I used a different language. So the basically whatever in case of death, the nominee will continue receiving the same benefits. Okay, so let's see the plan option of long term income. So how long term income works: this plan option offers you 25 to 30 years of fixed return where you have to pay for a fixed amount of time, and the return of premium at the end of the payout period upon the payment of all dues and the life assured surviving the policy term. So what will happen is you will pay for 5 years, then you will wait for 1 year, and then remaining 30 years they will pay, and they will also pay you the entire paid premium in the first 5 years. They will return that back to you. Okay, so the advantage is today you are 25, you pay for 5 years, means till 30 years you will pay from and wait for 1 year. 31st year you have to wait, and 32nd year onwards till next 25 years they will pay you the money which has been guaranteed, and secondly they will pay you back the entire 5 years premium amount what you have been paid to HDFC Life, that is been paid back to you. Okay, so this is a long term income option. So these are the riders which has been told above. HDFC income benefit rider on accidental disability. In case you came up with an accidental disability, then what will happen is an equal a benefit equal to 1% of rider sum assured per month for the next 10 years in case of accidental total disability. There is no maturity benefit available under this plan. So यहाँ पे what they want to say is a benefit equal to 1% of the rider sum assured per month for next 10 years. So they will charge you for the rider in case of accident till total permanent disability. In case you get bedridden and you cannot do anything, then this income benefit rider will come into the picture. Okay. HDFC Life critical illness plus rider. HDFC critical illness plus rider, a lump sum benefit equal to the rider sum assured shall be payable in case you are diagnosed with any 19 critical illness. In case if you get any 19 critical illness, you will be paid for the amount and survive for a period of 30 days following the diagnosis. If you survive for a period of 30 days following the diagnosis, so there is no maturity benefit available under this plan. So you cannot get any maturity benefit under these two riders, but if something happens, they can provide you sufficient amount. Okay. So what I told you above, that for the guaranteed maturity, guaranteed income and long term income and lifelong income, we will see an illustration below. So now here we are going to see an illustration below in a detailed way. Let's see how it works. Okay. So be very specific. This is a very specific information where you will be looking for before investing how much I will be getting. Okay. So the but it will vary from age to age. Okay. So please understand, if here we are considering one scenario, based on your age the returns will vary, and but it is guaranteed by HDFC Life. Illustration of benefit for healthy male age 30 years. Okay, and 50 years for a lifelong income option. So what they have done is, for this calculation 1, 2 and 4 they are considering 30 years, and for lifelong income option, for this lifelong income option they are considering 50. So 1, 2 and 3 they are considering 30 years, and for the lifelong income option they are considering 50 years. Who pays 1 lakh rupees plus tax means the GST they will pay. Okay, and throughout the premium paying term and survives the policy term. And if this survives the policy term means if they have completed the policy term. Okay, so I am paying 1 lakh rupees. Okay, I am paying 1 lakh rupees. Okay, in the entire all the 4 scenarios, this is fixed. Okay, only the age is changing, 30 years in the first 3 and 50 years in the fourth one. Okay, so this is very clear to you, right? Plus the GST is applicable. Okay, so GST is a part of government, so it will pay to HDFC Life and HDFC Life will pay back to government. So let's take the principal amount of 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so if I have chosen the plan option as a guaranteed maturity, we will give a lump sum benefit to you. So how it works is, 1 lakh rupees you have selected a premium paying term of 10 years. Okay, you have selected that I will pay for 10 years. We have 3 options, we have 3 options. I will just show you again, but here in example they are considering one only. Policy term is 10 years, 12 years and 20 years. Okay, and premium paying term is 5, 6 and 10. So these 3 options are there, but below where we are seeing the illustration, we are considering this part, 10 years and 20 years. So premium paying term is 10 years and policy term is 20 years. So this we are considering below. Okay, so just a second. Yeah, so premium paying term is 10 years and I am paying 1 lakh rupees for 10 years and I am getting a sum assured of 12 lakh 50,000 rupees. Okay, and death benefit at inception is 12 lakh 50,000 rupees. Okay, so it means in the first 10 years if something happens to me, okay, to the policy holder, then 12 lakh 50,000 will be paid to my nominee. Okay, if the term is not completed, if the premium paying term is not completed. Okay, here this is the scenario and the policy term is 20 years. Okay, policy term is 20 years. So if the policy term is 20 years, I have completed 10 years and I have paid the entire amount, and the policy term is 20 years, means I have to wait for another 10 years. Okay, so at the end of 20th year, once the 20th year is completed, okay, please remember, once the 20th year is completed, then I will get the maturity of 22 lakh 6,300 will be paid as a lump sum at the maturity. Okay, so for example, I am 30, I have paid till the age of 40, and at the end of the 50th year, I will be getting 22 lakh 6,300 rupees. That is, this amount is completely tax free. Okay, and you have paid me 10 lakh rupees. This 10 lakh rupees you can claim a rebate over it, up to 1.5 lakh rupees of your investment, as per the rules, right? So 10 lakh rupees you are paying, and you are getting 22 lakh 6,300 rupees as your lump sum benefit. This is one of the options which has been exercised from the 3 options available under guarantee maturity. Okay, so let's come to the guaranteed income option. Okay, in the guaranteed income option, what will happen is, we have seen above, there are 2 options are available. 10 years is the premium paying term, and 12 years is the premium paying term. Okay, I will again show you for your review so that you can connect there. See, in the guaranteed income, 10 years you can pay, and 11 years your policy term, and 12 years you can pay, and 13 years is your policy term, and next 12 years you will get the benefit, and next 10 years you will get the benefit. So here there are 2 options, but below in the illustration they are showing you this example. Okay, so let's come there. Okay, so let's come there. So you have paid 1 lakh rupees, means 12 lakh rupees you have been paid in the first 12 years. Okay, then you have wait for 1 year, in the policy term has been completed. From the next year onwards, for next 12 years, you are getting 2 lakh 9,000 rupees per annum for 12 years. 2 lakh 9,000 rupees. So I show you how much you will get, exact amount. So you have paid 12 lakh rupees in total for the 12 years, and you have wait for 1 year. So now you are getting 2 lakh 9,000 rupees for next 12 years. So you are getting 25 lakh 8,000 rupees. This is completely tax free. Okay, so this is completely tax free. So I hope this is pretty clear here. So this is the entire tenure you will get, the every year you will get this 2 lakh 9,000 rupees for next 12 years. Okay, so let's come to the long term income option. Again, in the long term income options, we were having the 4 options to select. So let's go to the long term option and see there first. See, long term income you can pay 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, 12 years. The policy term is 6 years, 7 years, 11 years and 13 years, and you can get the maturity for next 25 years, and you will get the entire paid premium back at the end of the 25th year. Okay, with the last premium, your entire premium amount will be paid back to you. Okay, so let's go to the table again and let's check this. Okay, so in the long term income options, they have selected 10 years you will pay. Okay, for 1 lakh rupees you have paid for 10 years, you have paid me 10 lakh rupees for the first 10 years. Okay, and then you have wait for 1 year. Post completion of 11 years, you will start receiving 95,000 per annum. Okay, you will be receiving 95,000 per annum from 12th year onwards to next 25 years. So the payout period is 25 years. So you will be getting 95,000 rupees into 25. So you will be getting 23 lakh rupees 75,000 as your benefit for next 25 years, and at the end of your 36th year, you have paid 10 lakh rupees that will be paid back to you. So I will add that also. So 33 lakh 75,000, this is a tax free amount to you, and this is a tax free amount which you will be getting 33 lakh 75,000. So you have paid 10 years, you have wait 1 year, and next 25 years HDFC Life is paying you 95,000 per annum, that is tax free for 25 years plus your all the paid premiums back to you. So hope it is pretty clear to you till here. Okay, so you can choose. Here we are just taking one of the scenarios so that too much of scenarios may confuse it. So we are trying to select the best possible scenario which is mentioned in the company document. Okay, so in the lifelong income option, what will happen is you will pay me 10 lakh rupees in the first 10 years and then you have to wait 1 year. Okay, then what will happen is HDFC Life will pay you 89,000 rupees, 89,000 rupees, right, right, for the remaining till the age of 99. Okay, till the age of 99. So let's see like that, 99 minus, if you have completed you have bought at 50, you will 61, so 38 years. So 38 years is your premium, you will get the benefit. So 38 years you will be getting 33 lakhs 82,000 rupees plus the 10 lakh rupees what you have paid, that you will get it back. So 43 lakh rupees, 43 lakh 82,000 you will be receiving. So but the question will come, 99 years nobody is going to live till the age of 99. Yes, that's true, but your nominee will receive the same benefit till the lifetime. So this is an amazing product. Again I am saying the nominee can be anyone who is 18 plus, or a minor also can be a nominee, and but they will get a payout period of 38 years in total. Okay, so the logic is, the moment this 38 years is completed, this 89,000 will be paid to the nominee plus 1 lakh rupees will be paid to the 10 lakh rupees will be paid back to the nominee. Okay, so I hope till this it is very clear. Now there is a grace period option is there. Grace period is 15 days for a monthly frequency, and for quarterly, half yearly and yearly there is 30 days of a frequency. Okay, lapse, paid up and surrender. Okay, so this policy shall acquire a guaranteed surrender value upon the payment of at least first 2 years. If you pay for 2 years, it will acquire a paid up value. Okay, and that is guaranteed surrender value will be acquired. If you don't pay for 2 years, you will not be paid anything further. Okay, in case of lapsation. Paid up maturity oblique death benefit. Once the policy becomes reduced paid up, the maturity benefit and death payable shall be computed by multiplying the death oblique the maturity payout as specified in the benefit table. So if you basically see, you have not paid completely, so you have been paid up, so everything will be revised according to the tables in the section under the guaranteed maturity options, and no further guarantee addition shall acquire in future. So there is no further guaranteed addition if you don't pay for after 2 years. Okay, and the guaranteed addition acquired till date of the paid up shall continue to remain attached. So the till the day you have paid, the guaranteed addition will be attached to your policy. Surrender, you can surrender this policy, but first 2 years should be completed. Okay, so it is clearly mentioned that the policy shall acquire a guarantee surrender value upon the payment of at least first 2 years. Okay, the minimum guarantee surrender value shall be as of the guarantee surrender value of the total paid premium and the surrender value of the guaranteed addition already acquired to the policy if applicable. Okay, where the GSV of total premium paid shall be determined as the applicable GSV factor of on total paid premium at the time of surrender multiplied by the total premium paid to the date. So how much premiums you have paid till the date you are surrendering, they will consider the GSV factor. Okay, the premium is excluding the taxes. The premium which you will pay is excluding the taxes. Okay, the surrender value of the guaranteed addition paid shall be determined as applicable of GSV factors on the guaranteed addition at the time of surrender value. So आपको so whatever GSV will be acquired, the guaranteed surrender value, it will be as on date, the day you come and surrender the policy. Okay. Revival, it means you have paid the policy for 5 years and then you have not paid the policy. You can come and revive the policy. But there is an interest rate of for revival is 9.5% is the interest rate. Okay. And you can revive for shall be of the 5 years from the due date. So whenever you have unpaid the premium within 5 years, you can revive your policy, but interest rate of 9.5% is applicable to the revival. Okay. So these are the terms and conditions of the policy. This you have to understand that these are the risk factors. HDFC Life company name is name of our insurance company, and HDFC Life Sanchay Plus is the name of this plan. So what they are telling is HDFC Life is the name of the company and the Sanchay Plus is basically their plan name. Okay. Now if you do suicide within 12 months, 80% of the total paid premium will be paid back to you. Okay. Tax benefits, whatever the tax benefit, you can cancel the policy within 15 days. Okay. And the free login period for the policy purchase through distance marketing. Okay, if you buy from some distance marketing, like distance marketing refers to the insurance policy sold face-to-face interactions such as telephone, etc. Please refer the guidelines of distance marketing. So if you have bought on a call or something like that, then 30 days is your cancellation time. Alteration, change of frequency of payment plan, you can change anytime. Your income payout options is allowed. You can change your income payout options. Your plan options, once chosen at the inception, cannot be changed. So once you choose the plan option, then you cannot change. Now policy loan, this is a very important part, that in every policy of HDFC Life you can get policy loan depending on the terms and condition of the policy. So 80% you can take a loan of 80% of surrender value. For example, if your surrender value is 1 lakh rupees, then you can get 80,000 rupees of loan, but an interest will be charged over the loan which you take. Enhanced benefit for high premium policies. So if there is high premium you pay more than 1.5 lakh rupees, then you will get some kind of a benefit. So we'll see here what kind of a benefit they are paying. So if you're paying more than 1.5 lakh rupees, this is the table they have designed. And in the guaranteed maturity payout option, if you pay for 5 years, more than 1.5 lakh rupees, if you say, let's go from above to below. Okay, 5 and above, 2% for 5, 1% for 3 to 4.99, and 0.5 from 1.5 to 2.99. Again here 2.1, 1.1, 0.6, 2.25, 1.5, 0.75. This is the benefit, additional maturity benefit which will come, and annual additional income will be for lifelong or long term income. This is the table which is going to come to them. Okay. So this is very interesting product. If you go and if you see, it is a one income payout. You can take semi-annually, monthly, quarterly, whatever you want to choose. You can choose that, and there is a guaranteed surrender value. Whenever you come and surrender the policy, you will get the surrender factors multiplied by that. But if you complete the policy term, you will get your 90% of the money back. Okay, if you complete the term. But if you don't complete the term, then you will be mostly charged with this amount will be paid. Okay. So then these are the standard rules of section 39. This is standard for insurance. Section 38, assignment rule. This is standard. Prohibition of rebates, non-disclosures under section 45, and these are the taxes and the policy holder, what the policy holder can take care of. So these are the standard rules which has been followed for all the insurance policies. So we are not going more in detail. So remember this, surrender value will come into picture when you will not pay the premium and you want to take the money out. That time it will come. Secondly, you will take the loan also. Thirdly, this is a guaranteed option where you will get the guaranteed payout. You have to choose which option you want for the return. Okay, so this is the four options in the plan. Like HDFC Sanchay plan is the name, and these are the plan options. These are the plan options which has been given. You have to select first which plan option you want to go, and then you have to select the premium paying term, which premium paying you want to take, and the policy term you want to select for. Okay, so once you do this, you can customize your solution like 10 years, 15 years, 16 years, 20 years, how you want your income, that you can arrange it. So that's why HDFC Life call this product as a guaranteed product, and they give you guaranteed benefit from day one. So this is the product which is called HDFC Life Sanchay Plus, and it's a guaranteed benefit payout, and you can choose any product which you like from this table based on the investment and the returns you are looking for as per your milestone. That's why HDFC Life says it helps you to build your milestones, which is uncertain because of this COVID-19 today, and the life is uncertain now. So hope all you like my video, and even if you dislike, please comment and please share your feedback. I will be happy to improve myself, and I will be very happy if you can give your right feedback. We will be improving. Please subscribe to my channel for the latest videos, and please do comment and share your feedback to understand that I will get motivated by your feedbacks and comments. So myself Rahul signing off. If you want to buy this policy, you can call me on my number 9481643462, and I will be happy to help you. Thank you very much. Take care.